Hey guys, I'm gonna do a quick little video on taking your boat out of winterization, doing it in your driveway. And a lot of you guys have probably seen the muffs here. They just slide over the lower unit's intakes right there. So you make sure you cover that up nice, right? Covers both sides. Hook your hose up to it. Turn your tap on, get a lot of flow of water going, and then start up your engine. One of the risks of doing this obviously is if the engine isn't getting enough water flow, you know, you could have low water pressure and that could obviously cause some damage in your engine. One thing that you might not have been doing is that on the front of this Optimax, I don't know if you can see it right there, right on the nose cone, right here where my fingers are. There's 4 little intakes there, and those holes need to be covered up when you do this because you'll lose a lot of water out of these holes. So basically all I do is I grab a piece of duct tape and I just cover it. So I cover it up, and that's gonna make enough of a seal that you're not gonna lose any water coming out the front end on the nose cone, and that'll help keep as much pressure and water flow going up to the engine as possible. I'm just gonna connect the hose right here. Okay, got the hose on. I'm gonna turn it on, get good water flow going, and then we're gonna fire it up, take it out of winterization. Okay guys, I've turned on the hose. Got a lot of flow coming out. Double check both sides, everything's covered up. Now we're gonna fire over the engine. Obviously put it in neutral. I just had it in gear. You don't want to have it in gear. Okay, that's burning off all the winterization oil that was in the cylinders. Got a nice stream of water coming out. I'll let it run for a few seconds here. Also, one thing guys, never rev the engine while running it off the hose because you risk damaging your engine. So let it run for a few more seconds. That's it. So I fired it up. It's out of winterization. That's all it took, guys. Shut it down. But remember this tip, man. This tip right here, covering up those holes on the nose cone, that could save you from doing some damage to your engine. Like and subscribe, guys. More maintenance and tip videos coming soon. Later. One more thing, guys. While you got your boat out, you just fired it up, give it a nice wash.